Hybrid cars offer numerous advantages over traditional gasoline-powered vehicles, including better fuel efficiency. Hybrids consume less fuel because the electric motor assists the gasoline engine, especially during stop-and-go driving and low-speed cruising. Reduced emissions. Hybrid cars emit less carbon dioxide, CO2, and other pollutants, helping to combat air pollution and reduce the vehicle's carbon footprint. Reduced dependence on fossil fuels. Since hybrids use electric power alongside gasoline, they reduce the amount of fuel needed for driving, contributing to a more sustainable future. By offering greater fuel efficiency and lower emissions, hybrid vehicles are helping to pave the way for a more environmentally conscious transportation system. The hybrid car market has been steadily growing, and by 2025, it is expected to see even more widespread adoption. With the demand for eco-friendly vehicles increasing and government regulations tightening on emissions, hybrid cars are becoming a mainstream option for consumers. Key trends in the hybrid car market for 2025 include broader model availability. More car manufacturers are offering hybrid versions of their popular models, including SUVs, pickups, and sedans. Lower prices. As technology improves and production volumes increase, the cost of hybrid vehicles will continue to decrease, making them more accessible to a wider range of consumers. More charging stations for PHEVs. The expansion of charging infrastructure will make it easier for consumers to use plug-in hybrid vehicles, PHEVs, allowing for longer all-electric driving ranges.